How to turn off sound notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when Snap is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then go to settings, and then in settings go to notification, click, and then you go down to sound, and you will turn off this option by clicking here like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.